What's up, y'all? Obs Dwayne here. It's been a while, I know, but got some pretty cool stuff that I'm gonna add to my OBS. Try it out. So, yeah, here we go. All right, y'all. Welcome back. So, we got this cheap stereo that I got off of a website called Temu. You've probably heard of it. I actually dropped this motherfucker on the ground right now. But it has these protective cushions so to absorb the the impact. But yeah, so I got this for free because I had just activated my account with Temu, and then I shared it to a whole bunch of people, and they oh, by the way, this ain't even sponsored or nothing. I'm just telling y'all. All right, so yeah, so I activated my account, and then I had to share it to so many people, and so many people had to, like, I guess sign up, or at least just click on the link or something like that, and then it takes away points, or actually it gives me more points, like towards getting free stuff. I got 5 free things, and yeah, so it added up to, like, I don't know. This was cheap anyways, like if I were to buy it from Temu, but I got it for free. But anyways, yeah, so I guess if you want to know more about it or whatever, shoot me a message on Instagram or something, Always got my either I'm gonna have my Instagram links and Facebook and all that shit, down there in the description, or go on my other videos and you can see that I got that stuff in there. I should put it in this one though, because I try to do it in every one of them. So, but yeah, it's not even like a name brand or anything. This is what it is. Oh, y'all can see that. And yeah, it comes with, let's see, let me show you what it comes with. It comes with this harness, or 2 harnesses. It comes with a little camera right here, backup camera. So I'm gonna have a backup camera in this bitch. The video cable, and then like the ground power or whatever that I'm gonna hook up to the reverse light, so that every time that I go in reverse, it activates, And then yeah, just all these little things right here. You can see instructions, probably like Chinese or something. Comes with the remote. This remote right here. Comes with the microphone for Bluetooth. And here's the unit. Check it out real quick. Here's it. Let me check it out. This plastic too, shit. It's got plastic on it, but here's the unit right here. Just a little cheap unit, but see what it's got right there. If you want to check that out, pause it or whatever. Yeah, pretty simple. Hopefully it's gonna fit in here pretty good. Let's check it out. So this is the unit that I got right now that my dad had in here originally. Hopefully it's just a straightforward fit in there. It actually looks about the same damn size. Wait, hold on, let me take out this Bluetooth aftermarket thing. Damn. It's gonna be pretty. It might not fit with this thing around it, whatever, but it might fit just like that. You know what I mean? Because it got has like a little edge on it. You can see the little edge, so it might fit in there like that. But yeah, it's gonna look pretty sweet, hopefully. Let me take this apart. Just gonna pop this off. It's got little clips down here, whatever. Got my pop off tools right there, and yeah, we're gonna pop it off. Maybe I'll take this off first. clipped on here also. I broke my clip on that side. It's alright, I can always buy another one. They're like, I don't know, 30 bucks. So I got it out. Disconnect it. Clip here. Take all these little things. Need to pick this up on both sides and then I can slide it out. Actually, I don't know if y'all see those little things in here. Just kind of go like that. Bend it down. You can get it. Push it through. This one got to be put down. Push through. Should just slide out. Okay, couple clips in here getting caught. Oh, y'all see those clips? That one and that one. Tap whatever. It comes out. Boom. Comes out. Okay, let's see what connection this thing has behind it. Probably not gonna be the same, I guarantee it. Damn it, boy, gotta wire it up. Okay, so I'm just gonna disconnect all these wires right here that my dad did. I'll probably put some better joints on there, you know. Forgot what you call them. But yeah, they're like, you know, the ones that you put there and then you clip them on. So I'm gonna disconnect all these, get rid of this harness, and then put these harnesses right here. Yeah. All right, I found my stuff, so I'm gonna use to connect them all. Probably have the power off, that'd be better, but I'm gonna connect them one by one. If they don't work, I'm just gonna disconnect them and redo it again. Screw it, I got a lot of these. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna match all the wires to the colors that they go to. You'll see when I'm done. All right, y'all see all the wires connected right here. I left these out because these are kind of like if you have options on your truck, which this is just bare ass. And then this is just for like I guess it's probably this stuff up here, which I don't have any of that going. So let's connect it. Let's flip the switch. Which one's the one with the red? Red is 12. Okay, red is 12. So the one with the red goes on the bottom right here. One with the red goes on the bottom because that's 12 is red. Okay, and let me see also the black is 16. So red and black go on the bottom. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. Has little numbers next to it, so that's how the way I'm doing it. So red and black go on the bottom. Then here's your red and black go on the bottom. That's what I mean by the bottom, sorry. The bottom plug. So that's what we're doing. It's in. The next one's go on top. Let's flip the switch and just see if it works for now. Oh shit, we got power. Badass. Damn it, boy. Works. Tuning works and shit. Not gonna have no stations. Because the antenna, it doesn't have the fat part that goes in here, so. I don't think it came in here. No, it didn't come in here. No, it didn't come in any of this kit, so. And that's supposed to be part of the truck. So, let's see if I can sync it to Bluetooth real fast. Alright, y'all, so to get to this setting, go to home, you go to phone, you go to settings, and they'll tell you the Bluetooth code right there, 0000. Okay, it's a GBT car Bluetooth, so let's remember that. Let's go back to home. It's actually pretty decent. Okay, so let's connect it to Bluetooth real quick. It works, guys, check it out. Here it is installed, guys. I still need to, I don't think that'll bother me too much up there with that little clip missing, but here it is installed. Let me flip the switch. Y'all can see. Yeah, buddy, for free, baby. It's pretty damn neat. It probably connected to Bluetooth right now. There it is. Let's see if it plays out. Yeah. Okay, I don't want to get what do you call it, copyrighted. Touchscreen's actually all right, you know. I guess I can mess with the settings, like probably see what color and all that crap. Just want it black like that. I'll do that one. Language, English, general, backlight. Oh shit, backlight. Auto. We'll do green since it's all green in here. There it is, guys. Still has a screen protector on it, but I'll put a link to the description. I'll put a link in the description. Damn, I can't get that shit right. Let me turn this shit around for y'all homies. I'll put a link in the description if y'all want to get it or whatever. I'm also gonna put my Temu or Temu link in there. It's no cost to you. Not gonna put any extra cost on you or anything, whatever. It's just if you sign up, it's gonna give me some points, you know what I mean? So help a brother out, you know. Yeah, I'll see y'all guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Peace.